Hey guys,
Murah juga dalam.
ada letak kursi dekat Dein. Welcome back to my first. This is my first video. Radin cakap dekat kamera sebab saya ni sejenis yang introvert. Yeah, I'm Radin. The full name is Radin Fazrul, but just call me Dein, Dein. Then this is first time I talk in my camera, cakap dengan kamera sebab memang before this memang Radin tak pernah cakap depan kamera. And yeah, this is me. So today vlogs, I'm doing a room tour and I show you what's in my room, and then I will show you I'm using daily life. Let's go. So the first move is the mirror. I didn't touch cermin, standing cermin, daily outfit. And then the side of the door, pintu, I didn't letak two cap, which is the cap, what the name call is topi daun, I don't know. And then we have a Nike cap, and then Adidas bag, and then the slim bag, backpack, and then the Coach bag for my daily using. Then I have a cap for hiking, and that's all for this session. So untuk this meja, the setup, ada letak satu trolley, which is ada letak my stationery. Untuk the first drawer, Radin letak random stuff like a gimbal, battery, note. And then the second drawer, put the cloud mouse, and then this actually my old stuff, BTS rice stick, blind box, and then the keychain I put in. And then the third drawer, sticker. Actually Radin kumpul semua stiker dari Zeus. See, and then the last drawer Radin letak barang-barang packaging, sebab dulu Radin pernah buat business, memang dah stop buat business kitchen. So itu saja untuk first drawer. To the desk, Radin letak this shelf from Ikea, also this Pegboard from Ikea, candle from Ikea, organized shelf from Ikea, and then this star from Temu, and then I put this note, list to do for this month, and then my photo Polaroid, and then my daily notes, and then mirror from Kvissle. I have a headphone, and then my study lamp from Shopee. Also I have this Hirono, given from my friend's birthday present, and then I have this mouse pack, and then this Divam speaker, my favorite thing in my room. Look at that, Snoopy. boleh naikkan volume and then tukar lagu. And then this plate pen, ada letak muji pen dekat plate besi ni. So that's all for the desk. So we are move to drawer. So the first drawer, Radin letak cable for daily using, charger, power bank. This is from Moji actually. So function perfect for my room. And then second drawer with a charger, laptop, everything, cable, charger. And for the last drawer with a stationery, pen, highlighter, tape. So untuk dekat bawah meja, Radin letak dumbbell untuk workout. And then we have kursi yang sangat selesa, comfortable chair from Temu. Thank you Temu. So fluffy and I choose the cream color, matching for my desk. So we move to the next section, which is my bed. The bed from TikTok. Ada dua drawer dekat bawah. Satu, dua. And then this plushie from Miniso. And then my pillow cover from Temu. And then from TikTok. And then blanket from Temu. And that's all for my katil. Untuk lansir, Radin guna, sebab my family call this lansir like a office lansir. Office lansir. This lansir sebab memang kemas sesuai untuk my room. I got this lansir from TikTok. Very easy to pasang. And then yeah. So for the next session, ramai orang tanya kenapa Radin letak kursi dekat sini. Sebab memang Radin dah tak ada tempat untuk letak kursi. Kursi ni memang Radin nak jual tapi memang tak sempat nak jual. And then yeah, just put it in here. And my star pillow from Temu. And I have a drawer here, my shirts, my pants and everything. On top I put the Monstera plant and clock from Temu. And I put my Polaroid too, my memories with my friends and family. This is so old. Phone 1, my phone 1 picture. So here I have a projector remote. Night version, Radin akan buka the projector. And then I have a casing, blue casing, just for decoration. Lamp from Temu, actually kaca sebenarnya. And then ada dah pecah sikit sebab terjatuh. So set, lampu memang mahal, and berkualiti. We move to the rack shelf. 3 clothes, jacket, my sweater. Bawah ni dah ada lampu juga from Ikea. And the box, sebenarnya randomnya Radin letak iPhone box dekat sini, tak tahu kenapa. Box storage from Daiso. I put this casing and the stuff here. And then we move the Omar shelf. I put this convex mirror, daily using, perfume, watch. And then my vinyl player. Jarang guna vinyl player ni sebab memang Radin tak banyak CD player kat sini. CD vinyl player 2 je ada sebab dah memang ulang-ulang banyak kali. Jadi memang Radin jarang guna this vinyl player. Nanti Radin pasang. So Radin letak this pokok sebab pokok ni orang cakap senang nak jaga. Kalau tak siram pun dia tetap akan tumbuh panjang. Tahun ni dah panjang dah. Sebab this pokok Radin baru beli dalam 2 minggu lepas. Dah panjang macam ni sebab dulu sampai sini je. Dulu pendek sampai sini tapi dah panjang sampai sini. This Japanese lamp and this mini table from Temu, and that's all for this session. Kalau dia punya sounds is quite okay lah, sebab Raiden tak ada connect dengan any speaker, memang original from the speaker.
Kat mana Raiden dapat this vinyl, Raiden beli dekat thrift store, murah juga, dalam satu lebih kurang ni RM15. Sekarang pun dalam belas juga, RM20 macam tu. Dia mana beli yang macam yang Billie Eilish punya vinyl.
For these plants, memang sesuai untuk letak di atas stroller ni. And then my speaker, I have two speaker, but I'm using the Devom speaker, easier to use sebab yang ni untuk just decoration je. So yeah, this is my small room. Tak banyak yang ada, just a minimalist decoration, sebab Raiden memang tak suka baik-baik tampal. Sebab kat sini nanti kita akan letak projector, salah satu sini atau sini. And then I have a kipas also, kipas, fans and aircon. Sebab kalau malam selalunya Raiden akan guna kipas, kalau petang memang Raiden guna aircon. Memang kalau petang memang panas dekat sini, kalau malam memang dia sejuk, so Raiden akan guna kipas. So yeah, that's my room in the morning season, in the morning session. Kalau selalunya pagi Raiden akan bangun pagi, kemas katil, and then siram pokok. Kita akan tengok pada waktu malam macam mana Raiden punya bilik di waktu malam. Okay, jom. So here my night version in my room. Memang berbeza dengan the morning version, sebab kalau malam memang Raiden akan buka lampu, that's lamp and my bed lamp. And then Raiden buka projector untuk tengok YouTube atau Netflix. Kalau buka projector pun kalau Raiden rajin, sebab ini pun rajin sebab nak kena buat video. Kalau tak buat video memang tak ada projector. Kalau malam Raiden tengok YouTube by iPad je, sebab iPad kan senang untuk bawa ke mana-mana, ringan. Sebab kalau iPad Raiden selalu tengok kat katil ataupun dekat meja belajar. This is my room in night version. So here my room tour for 2026. I'm planning to do a room makeover for 2026. Kita tak tahu lagi, maybe soon. Having a good day everyone yang watching this video. I'll see you in the next video and bye.